Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add a personalization box on Shopify. This feature is incredibly useful if you're selling custom products like engraved jewelry, personalized gifts, or anything that requires customer input before production. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your browser and head over to shopify.com. Once you're there, log into your Shopify account using your credentials. After logging in, you'll land on your Shopify homepage where all your store management tools are located. Now look over to the left side of your screen and click on Settings. This is your control center for all the behind-the-scenes configurations of your store. Within the Settings menu, you'll see several options on the left sidebar. Click on Apps. This section manages all the applications and integrations you've installed to enhance your store's functionality. At the top of the Apps page, you'll notice a button that says Shopify App Store. Go ahead and click on that. This will take you to the Shopify app marketplace where thousands of apps are available to extend your store's capabilities. In the search bar, type PX Variants and hit Enter. From the search results, click on PX Variants and Product Options. This app is specifically designed to help you add customizable fields to your products. Once you're on the app page, click the Install button. A new tab will open asking for permission to access some of your personal and store data. This is standard procedure for Shopify apps. Review the permissions and then click Install again to confirm. Now, you'll need to wait a moment while the installation completes. This usually takes just a few seconds, so be patient as the app integrates with your store. After the installation is finished, it's time to set up your personalization box. Select a product from your store that you want to add the personalization option to, then click Add. This opens up the customization interface for that specific product. In the field provided, input a title for your personalization box. Something like Add Your Personalization works perfectly. Next, you'll want to edit the type field. Click on it and change it to long text. This gives your customers enough space to write detailed personalization instructions rather than just a single line. Now select an icon that represents personalization. This could be a pencil, a text box icon, or anything that visually communicates to customers that they can customize this product. After that, input clear instructions for your customers. For example, you might write add your name, contact details. Clear instructions help customers know exactly what information they should provide. If you'd like to charge extra for personalization, you can add an additional price in the designated field. This is optional, but many sellers charge a small fee for custom work. Once you've configured everything to your liking, click Add to save your personalization box. Finally, you can click Open Product to see a preview of how the personalization box will appear to your customers on the product page. This lets you verify that everything looks professional and functions correctly before making it live. And there you have it. You've successfully added a personalization box to your Shopify product, giving your customers the ability to customize their purchases. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.